Gage fly back the rope and racing and in front is second by half medium. Moving up Hudson Hawk on the outside. Mahogany Kobilis now racing fourth. Down in Pipis Hoy. Sobrana sneaking by the Willis Pre-Cell Blitzkrieg while Modern Classic is running on the tail of the field. Out the straight day trouble. Hudson Hawk in front by Lang half medium running second. Moving up. Now the outside is Go Billy's, then followed by Mahogany. And into the back they travel. It is still Hudson Hawk. Moving up, Go Billy's, now the outside. Alang Karihap, half medium. Down in fourth now by some five is Hoy. Sobrana sneaking by the wheel is Pre-Cell alongside now Mahogany. Inside the last 600. Go Billy's. Leads Balank now, followed by Hudson Hawk, half medium on the outside. Hoy, Sobrana joining them together with Pre-Cell towards the final turn. Go Billy's, half medium, moving up on the outside. Go Billy's running by the wheel, half medium. Hoy, Sobrana on the farther outside. It's still Go Billy's, half medium. Hoy, Sobrana, Pre-Cell. It's now Hoy, Sobrana, half medium, still leading the pack. And Hoy, Sobrana, finally, half medium. Hoy, Sobrana, Pre-Cell, Mahogany, Go Billy's, Blitzkrieg, Hudson Hawk, Modern Classic.